Due to the size and shape of the Pele fire table, there are some special considerations for delivery. The Pele fire table arrives to us from the vendor on a pallet in a box like most of our fire tables. Included in the fire table is a cover, rocks, straps, and propane tank. The straps that are provided are to be used when moving the table flat. They are to be left for the customer to keep in the event they need to move the table around. Due to the size and weight of the piece, there are no good handholds and the table is far too large to load and deliver flat. We have opted to design a crate that holds the table vertically. This will allow for us to deliver through doorways and gates as well as navigate stairs and hallways. Each market should receive instructions on how to make a shipping crate to be used to transport the table from DC to customer home. If we deliver to a warehouse, we will transport it in the vendor packaging, preferably on the pallet. If room and board is going to deliver to the customer directly, we will need to prep the table in a special way. Place all the fire pit accessories into a box and tape it closed. Place some pads on the custom crate and stand the fire pit on its side. Make sure you don't stand it up on the side with the pull-out door. Two-person lift the fire table and place it onto the custom crate. Make sure that the edge of the fire table is past the lip of the crate. You also want the bottom of the fire table to stick out the fixture to keep the weight better centered. Cover the fire pit in additional pads and shrink wrap it to the fixture. Lastly, put the accessory box on top and wrap it to the fire table. Each market will need to purchase over-the-shoulder dolly straps. To move the pallet, place the shared strap under the piece. Squat down and tighten up the slack. Stand up and use your forearms to balance the load between you. This is how we will be delivering the fire tables to the customers. The fire pit should be loaded in the crate on the truck and strapped to the wall. If you have ratchet straps, that would be the best way, but the tie-down straps work as well. After getting the fire table close to where it will live, remove the accessory box. Lay the crate down fully. Open the table back up and remove the pads. Using the vendor supplied straps, lift the fire table up and place it in its final spot.